together to ensure that we drive the resources necessary to help the rebuilding effort that Southern California needs. This is not a time for partisanship or division. It's a time to come together.
That was California Democratic Congressman Pete Aguilar as his state grapples with the devastating impact of the deadly wildfires. Officials are now dealing with strengthening winds as the fires continue to burn. The death toll stands at 24. CBS News correspondent Adam Yamaguchi is in Pacific Palisades. Adam, what more can you tell us?
It's impossible to describe the enormity of the destruction that we're seeing all around us here. You know, scenes like this play out over and over and over again. Just when you think you've seen the end of the line, you turn the bend and you discover an entire block, entire neighborhood that has suffered the exact same fate. There's an eeriness here. It's so quiet. All you can really hear are the birds chirping, the wind rustling leaves, and the occasional helicopter that interrupts that silence. The authorities have just started day one of the search for remains of those who may be left behind here. So the numbers of dead is only expected to increase here. Residents are still under mandatory evacuations. They haven't been back yet. They probably won't be back for a few more days because there are still many, many hazards here. The air is extremely heavy. You can feel it in your lungs just after a few minutes. There are toxins not just in the air, but in the ground. We've seen a number of down power lines. You see lines strewn about. And even though they've been discharged, some of these lines may actually still hold some charge. So it's gonna be a minute before people are back. And when they do come back, residents are going to discover the true magnitude of what's been lost. Homes, all their properties, and a lifetime of memories that have been eviscerated.
Adam Yamaguchi, thank you for that report.